How?
Okay, guys, we get to stay in this big old hotel for the competition. Holy cow, look at this, guys. Wow. Okay, here is a video of our room. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this room is so awesome. There's Kaden.
I got a hat.
Yep, we are here for the cheer competition. Oh my gosh, this like room is like so awesome.
I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up.
Here's our view. Oh my gosh, like seriously?
Got two curtains? That's how fancy.
It's snowing. It's so white out there.
Look at these roads. They're awful.
Good thing there's 4-wheel drive. And we're following somebody so that in case she gets stuck, she can ride with us.
But look how pretty it looks outside. Look at all the trees. It looks so cool. We're not getting any stoplights, which is good. But
All right, look at these roads, guys. They're awful. Trying to drive them, they're awful.
oh, sorry. I dropped it.
Guys, look at all the snow that we got. This is crazy.
In the comments down below, let us know if you guys get snow. Like this.
I had to shovel, like it felt like I was shoveling off the car this morning. We got a good, maybe a foot of snow. I guess our driveway got shoveled while we were gone. Wow, look at that. Look at all that seed. Didn't get too much, but okay.
Turns down. I turned you down all the way.
Are you girls having fun?
Huh?
Are you guys, girls having fun?
Your snowball didn't. We try to run, be like, use your snowball. I'm gonna defeat you with your own baking. Oh. This is cold. It's quick. It's got snow in my boot again.
It's snowing again.
Let it melt.
Yeah.
This is what I get for not wearing long socks.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
This child right here is being ridiculously funny, thinking that she is funny.
I am funny.
Okay, girl.
Oh.
All right. So we had our cheer weekend this past weekend.
As you saw.
Yes. And we figured that we would just give a little update on everything and how it all went. So what do you think, Kaden?
I liked it. It was really fun. The hotel was nice. I had a fun time. And the night before, we had a really fun time. It was really fun. We ate dinner. We had these bomb chicken nuggets. Get chicken nuggets from Crane's, okay? They are delicious. They're the best chicken tenders ever. Ever.
You really think so?
Yes!
No, I'm sure that there's better.
If you ate chicken grandma, you would understand.
I'm sorry. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat chicken.
If she did, she would understand.
Oh, maybe
Now,
I would. But maybe I wouldn't.
If you love every type of food, like me, you would love Crane's chicken.
Okay.
Okay.
We're done with that. So the night before the competition, they had a little, get together, a little party to celebrate their season. And they looked like they enjoyed it all. Nice pictures. And they had lots of candy because they were very hyper when they came back to the parents. But they look like they enjoyed their time at the party.
No one didn't. But after me and my squad, some people were a little late, but my friend set it up. We were all in her room, and we had a Bean Boozle challenge, Among Us in real life, and we also played some I don't know how to say it.
I have a clue what the game was.
It was
Mafia.
Mafia, that's the name.
Yeah, they played Mafia, like a game of Mafia. It
Yeah.
was pretty cool.
Pretty fun.
Yeah.
I loved it. It was amazing. And the day we had to wake up early. We had to wake up early the day before too. So it was horrible.
No, it's not horrible. Just because you guys had to wake up. We had to wake up. We had to be at the cheer competition center by 7:00. Well, because we had so much snow the night before, we were having a snowstorm. We had to get up extra earlier because we had to go get the snow off the vehicles, which was a good 8 to 10 inches. Yes, it was fun. So that took a little bit of time. And then we were going to get on the tollway, but the person that we were going to follow said that she didn't want to get on the tollway, so we took side roads, and those looked like they had only been plowed once, and they were quite awful. So we ended up
being late
to competition, but they made it. They got there. And the videos will show what the roads were like, but they got there. They did their awesome job, amazing job. They didn't place, but they were really good.
It was really fun.
Yes, they enjoyed it. So then we went out to breakfast afterwards with some of the girls, enjoyed our breakfast, sat there chit-chat, and then we got on our way, and the roads were much better by the time we got on our way home. Enjoyed it.
Yeah, the roads were good. I wanted to go to my friend's house after, but I couldn't.
No.
So I'm going to be able to go this weekend.
Yeah. So, but, it turned out to be a great weekend. Hotel was amazing. Although I've never had a TV in the bathroom on the mirror. Well, I've never had a TV in the bathroom. But, this one was in the bathroom on the mirror, which was a little weird because we walked in and turned the light on, and I'm looking around like, where is this noise coming from? And then I just happened to look, and it was on the TV. TV was on.
It turns on with the light. It is so.
And then there was a remote in the bathroom too, which was a little strange. But you know what? It was a great room. The hotel was amazing.
You wonder why people take an hour in the bathroom.
Yeah, right? The beds were great. They were comfortable.
The blankets were as thick as the snow.
She loved it. She loved everything about the weekend.
The pillows were as soft. I don't know, but they were soft, okay? And the blankets were so thick.
And she's been so excited. She was so excited for state. So finally got it over with. We're done with that. Now we will be on to our next season. But in the meantime, she'll do lots of tumbling. Hopefully she'll start working on a full. Yeah. Oh, come on. You enjoy doing tumbling.
We can keep going.
I love you.
I love you too.
She's such a silly girl.
Question of the day time. Okay. Have you ever stayed at a hotel before? Was it nice or was it bad? What rating would you give it? That's the question of the day. What do you think, Grandma?
I don't know. It depends on what kind of reading are you asking. Are you asking on a scale of 1 to 10, or are you asking on a scale of 1 to 5, or
1 to 5, so we don't have
5?
a bunch of 10s.
And 5 is
5 is amazing,
and 1 is
horrible.
Okay, there you go.
Our hotel was 5. 5.
In sync. We did that in sync.
We know it was a 5. It was amazing. Okay.
Yes, it was.
and
And we were on the 8th floor, which was even better because then when we looked out to see all the snow, we got really good pictures.
there were 16 floors.
Was there?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
16. 3, 3, 10. 16. That's
Wonderful. Well, now
and my
we know.
friend was on the 15th floor.
Yes,
but,
she was.
but mostly everybody was on the 8th floor.
Mhm.
But she was on the 15th floor. Lucky.
I know,
Also not lucky.
right? Okay, so we are going to get off here now, and we hope you guys have a wonderful night or day, whatever it is that when you're watching this. And don't forget to
Subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked the video. And hit the notification bell if you want to see more of us.
and don't forget to comment.
Yeah, make sure you tell us what your question of the day was. We like to see comments if you can comment.
And if you're new here, I'm Sarah,
I'm Kaylin.
and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.